Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I am using a kit from SPC. This was one of the mystery kits. It was March 2021 mystery. I really was not expecting to use this kit, but I was just in the mood of bright pinks. So I really wanted to use it. This is for the week of April 5th through April 11th. We were starting to kind of get ready to move out. We already knew that we were gonna move. Um, but I just remember this week I was just like mentally preparing myself. Didn't give myself enough time. You'll see that once I get to those plan with me's. But I just remember this week was like, okay, this is what we're doing. Also this week, I didn't mark it in the sidebar. I'm pretty sure it was this week. I might go back and do it, but this is the week that we no longer had to wear masks at the center I worked at, which was so nice. Now, I mean, the center I work at in California, we have to, which really sucks, but yeah, so that was really nice that was the first week that we finally got to not wear masks anymore. Um, Honestly, like you didn't have to wear a mask anyway wherever you went in Arizona, but like working with children, you had to until this point. So that was really cool. I wish I put that in the sidebar. But I'm just gonna go ahead and, I mean, I guess I'll talk about the base. The base is just, what did I use? I used hollow foil. Just kidding. I used silver foil. And then all the scripts are actually from myself that I have made. And then the full box overlays are just a mixture of some from SPC, Caress Press, and I think that's it. Yeah, I use a lot from SPC. The underlays are from, I think these ones are the rose colored days ones. And then I think that's pretty much it. This is definitely, I use an older foil bundle, I think, or maybe it's the foil bundle that came with this. I know she doesn't offer the whimsical bow anymore, I think. I haven't looked on her shop in a little bit, but I know it was like an older format. So I had to use bougie boxes that I had myself. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with the day by day. I'm going to try my best to keep up with the speed, not get behind. Oh yeah, and here I just did a little bougie box or an extender, but just for like a half box. I didn't do like a full day extender. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with Monday. So the first thing I'm going to mark on Monday is that I was so tired because what else is new? I feel like I'm always tired. Um, the So Sleepy script, like I said, is a script that I have made, but the Munchkin is from Once More with Love. I also marked that I took a nap this day once I got home from work. I used a girl from Pumpkin Paper Co. And then it was a really busy day at work. I used a girl from Fox and Cactus. And then for dinner, down on the bottom of Monday, I marked that I cooked chicken for dinner. I don't remember what kind of chicken, but I just marked that I cooked chicken. The icon is from SPC. And then down below that, I marked that we watched Infinity Wars. I don't know why I didn't use a movie marquee. I may have just used it on another day. No, I didn't. Oh, I did. Yeah. So, again, continuing our Avengers, Marvel like marathon that we were having. Moving on into Tuesday. So, this day I submitted my offer letter to continue working in my position as a permanent I guess, yeah, employee. Um, I knew it was only going to be temporary. I just needed something like in between, transferring my position to what I was doing to transferring to an educator in store. So I knew, and everyone had known that I had been talking to you that this wasn't going to be like an actual like permanent position. It was just for the time being. So I submitted that day. I used a Glam Planner girl to mark that. Also ran 3 miles. That girl is from Whimsical Cat Studio. And when I came home, I did some dishes. The glove sticker is from Sadie Stickers. Moving on into the middle part of Tuesday, I also took out the trash. And that really resembled me. We had so much trash. For me, I know I am really bad at taking out the trash. I just kind of hope that Dean would do it, but we have completely two different personalities. Like when I want something done, I want it done now. He is the complete opposite. He will say like I will get to it, which is true. He will get to it, but I don't have time for someone to just get to it. They need to do it now. So I just end up taking out the trash. And there was a lot of trash this day because I was just tired of waiting. So I just did it. Also baked some cookies this day. I think I just baked chocolate chip cookies. That mixer is from Fox and Pip. I also took a pretty long nap this day. The pillow sticker is from SPC, the collab that is with Once More with Love, those icons that she sells on her shop. I also finished Gossip Girl this day again. I think it was my third time finishing Gossip Girl. I love Gossip Girl. I'm like really in the mood to watch it again. I know I want to start Bones again right now. I don't know. Bones just reminds me of like summer. I feel like I always watch it during the summer. So I might start doing that again. I don't know. I feel like I just finished it, but I really miss it. So finished Gossip Girl this day. Use a Glam Planet Girl to mark that. Also did some more designing. I used the computer sticker from Papershire and I pulled some stickers to film these Plan With Me's this day. And I used an Emily Munchkin to mark that. Moving on into Wednesday, I started my day off with a crime binge. Crime Junkie is like my favorite. I don't know why I put a TV there. I definitely listened to Crime Junkie on my way to work and my way home. Work was a bit of a drive in Arizona. It was about 25 minutes there and 25 minutes back. But yeah, it was a long drive. So I listened to a lot of podcasts. I also had a great day at work this day. The kids were relatively decent compared to how they usually are at my old center. And then I also got some Happy Mail. Both of those are emojis from the Coffee Monsters Co. We also started the Avengers Endgame this day. I think we spent like 3 days watching it. I think I only marked it twice though, but I know for sure it took us 3 days because I fall asleep every time I watch a movie. And then we also had a pizza night. I think I may have just made pizza this day, like homemade pizza. I don't think we like ordered in or anything like that. Moving on into Thursday, I did a Trader Joe's run. The Trader Joe's bag is from Fox and Pip. I also cleaned the kitchen once I had all my groceries, and I used an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. Moving on into Thursday, or into the later part of Thursday, I was getting a little tired, had a headache, so I needed some coffee. So I had my afternoon coffee this day and I used a Stick with the Plan Co girl. I was also having some tech problems. Oh God, I do not miss having tech problems. I don't even remember what this problem was, but towards the end, I was just having so many technical issues with my computer and my headset and just the internet sucked, so it just was not the greatest. So I was definitely on the phone for a while with our tech support team. And then after work, I may have left work early this day. I can go back and check, but just because of the technical issues. So after work, I had some me time. Moving on into Friday, this day actually Dean's family or his dad and his brother had came into town to visit. So I had to work all 3 days they were here, so I didn't get to hang out, but it was good for Dean to like have his family over. He definitely needed it. I mean, we both needed to see our family, but I feel like Dean needed a little bit more than I did. So I did do another Trader Joe's run. I don't remember doing two Trader Joe's runs. I guess I did. So I used a Whimsical Cat Studio grocery bag to mark that. I also made some lox. I never call it lox. I just call it bagel and salmon. But I made that for brunch this day. The bagel and salmon sticker is from Papershire. I also made an iced latte at home. The icon is from SPC. And then Dean drove to Scottsdale to meet his family over there, so I wanted to mark that with a Papershire car sticker. I also filmed a haul this day. I had so much build up of or so much stickers like piled up, so I needed to get that done. Also, the position was listed today, or not today, this day, for the site supervisor position that I'm currently in, kind of. So, the position opened up for the school I used to work at. You'll see in the next plan with me what had happened. It was completely my mistake. Not my mistake, just it was my fault. I am just a procrastinator. But long story short, I'll get more into it next time. I waited too long to apply and the position was gone. But luckily, there was a new position that opened up that was just as good. So I'm extremely happy with where I am now. I got the position I wanted. And it's at a new school, so I'm kind of like starting fresh. But I was super happy that the position was finally listed today or that day, and I was able to like get my things together to apply. I used a Annie mode or a munchkin from Once More with Love to mark that. Also had bad lemonade from Trader Joe's. Their lemonade, this is the second time now because just last week same thing happened. The lemonade I get there is my favorite, but for some reason it was like old. It was carbonated, which it should not be carbonated, so it was definitely like spoiled, and it gave me a really bad stomach ache. So I used a Wonton in a Million sticker to mark that. And then for dinner, I made some animal style fries, and the fry sticker is from SPC. Starting off on Saturday, I did start my day with a crime page on YouTube. I also had some morning coffee. The icon is from SPC, and the cup or the mug is from SPC as well. I also tidied up around the house. The spray bottle, I believe, did I make that? No, I think that's from Right Brain Paper Co., which is no longer open. And then I also did some laundry this day, and that laundry sticker is also from Whimsical Cat Studio. I feel like I've been using a lot of stickers from their shop. I also washed my hair this day. That will be down below. You'll see that in a second. But I used a Glam Planner Girl to mark that. I also organized stickers this day. I don't know where this unicorn is from. It's like an old shop. I honestly, okay, I'm gonna try and look really quick. Maybe. I don't know. My organization is like not 100% done, so I still like struggle to like find things. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to find it before we move on to the next one. Dang it. I should have looked because I have so many stickers from this shop and I don't even know what this shop is called. So that's really bad. Okay, I might be able to find. Oh, Stationery Haven? No, Heaven. Stationery Heaven. That is where that sticker is from. I need to remember that because I use a lot of stickers. Not a lot, but a good amount of stickers from their shop. And then I also did some designing, and that girl is from Fox and Cactus. Moving on into Sunday, it was one of my best friend's birthday, Neil's birthday. So I did text him. We rarely like talk, but he's one of my best friends. Like I don't think I've seen him. I haven't seen him since I got back from New York, and that was 2 years ago. That's crazy. But yeah, he's my longest friend I've ever had. He currently lives in Prague. He's lived there for I don't know, like 5 years now. But I don't get to see him very often. But when he does come to the U.S., we try and see each other. Except last time, I'm a little bit bitter. He didn't even tell me he was home. He came home like a couple weeks ago. I was so upset that he didn't tell me he came home. But I knew it was like a short trip, so we didn't get to see each other. But next time he comes to the U.S., we will have to visit each other. But yeah, I wanted to mark that because I do it every year. I use a paper and milk Maru to mark that. Also had a really bad headache this day. I used an emoji to mark it from the Coffee Monsters Co. I also got off work pretty early this day because of my headache. And I used a munchkin to mark that. And for dinner, I made these amazing burgers. It tastes like In-N-Out burgers. And then we watched Avengers Endgame this day. Finished it. It was so good. I don't know how I didn't know the ending. It's been out for how many years? Like 2 years now, and I didn't know how it ended, and I'm so sad because he's my favorite character. And then we also started Falcon and Winter Soldier this day. All right, so here is what my spread looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Thank you guys again for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.